please guide on how can I engage my mind in Krishna consciousness always? How? As it is always thinking bad about someone. What I am on the face is different from what I am from within. How to remove this duplicity from the heart of devotees?
We always think of good in others.
We always think of good in others,
And in ourselves.
bad in ourselves.
How we can improve.
How we can improve?
We try to engage our mind. In the beginning, maybe some things are easier than others.
And we try to engage our minds, and in the beginning, some things are easier than the others.
Because we do the things that we like to do for Krishna.
Because we do the things that we like to do for Krishna,
That's easier.
that's easier.
Eventually, we can do anything for Krishna.
Eventually, we can do anything for Krishna.
Maybe things we like to do. Sometimes it may be things that we don't like to do.
Sometimes it may be things that we like to do, and sometimes it may be things that we don't like to do.
But we do that anyway because Guru and Krishna want.
Because we do them anyway because Guru and Krishna wants.
So, initially do the things that come easy.
So initially do the thing that comes easy.
Eventually, do anything for Krishna.
And eventually you can do anything for Krishna.
One thing is that do all the things you're doing, think how they're connected to Krishna.
One thing is that all the things that you are doing, think how they are connected to Krishna.
Like you study, get a degree, and you get a job, and then you can help.
Like you're studying, then you get a degree, then you get a good job, then you can help.
Or you learn something that you can do, use it directly in the service of Krishna.
Or you can learn something that you can do. Usually you can do things connected to Krishna directly.
Use the education in the service of Krishna.
You can use the education in the service of Krishna.
In this way, in various ways, you can see how you can use your existing activities in the service of Krishna.
In this way and in various ways you can see how you can use your existing activities in the service of Krishna.
We have some people that are spreading Krishna consciousness in the Middle East.
Like we have some people, those who are spreading Krishna consciousness in the Middle East.
So, to stay in the Middle East, you have to have a job.
So to stay in the Middle East, you have to have a job.
You have to do something there.
Or you have to do something there.
So even the mundane activity that you're doing, it allows you to preach. But you can see that also being connected to Krishna.
So even the mundane activities you are doing, if that allows you to preach, you can see that also in connection with Krishna.
You may not do some shopping for the Guru.
Or you may do some shopping for the Guru.
You may get something for the deities.
Or you may get something for the deities.
You may do a program, a IT program,
Or you may do a IT program
which can be used to help facilitate Krishna